Hey y'all, welcome back for another vlog. We at Seaworld Orlando again, and I am with Goo Lagoon.
Goo Lagoon.
My flautas.
Flautas.
We going trick-or-treating. Hey! And we gonna ride some roller coasters. Hey! We lit. Anyways, mwah. So this is SeaWorld's new roller coaster that they're building. And like, oh, the surf coaster. Oh my God, it actually looks really cool in person. And it's a lot bigger than I thought. This is gonna be lit. We about to be surfing. Surfboard, surfboard, surfboard. Graining on that wood, graining on that wood.
Swerving on that.
Swerving on that. Then surfing all of this. Surfing all of this good.
Y'all going trick-or-treating?
Yes. Hey.
Free candy. But you have to buy it back though.
Oh.
It's only $1.99.
Oh, that's say $3.99.
They're gonna give you a bunch of candy.
I'll say less. Oh, wait, I don't know which one I
There's
want.
no age limit.
For real?
Good. Great, because I'm 12.
Hey, we going trick or treating. Which one you getting?
Little pumpkin in the patch. That's me. My mom said.
I want this one. It's Pearl. But Daddy. We got our trick or treating bags. Everybody show your bags. Yes, that's right. We really out here at SeaWorld. We're going trick or treating on Halloweeny. Oh wow, there she go. Woo, we lit. Yellow, pink. You do care. And the trick or treating begins. Hey, 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 hey. A pirate! Patchy? That is a massive. You can actually pet it. I'm scared. Denisha, I'm scared. Oh my. He's huge. Oh my God, he's far down. Oh.
They're like super slimy.
He's huge.
Yeah.
Wow. I petted a stingray.
Gross. What's up, guys? My name's Denisha. I'm here for a detour. I've stolen the phone. We're going wild. Run. You know why I pulled you over?
Is that a manta or a stingray?
What's the difference?
What is this? My hand's still wet. You didn't say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
You're welcome. Happy Halloween, everyone.
Dang, that's a lot of candy.
It is. It's Halloween.
Okay.
Thank you.
Stop number 2. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. Ah.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Where?
Yeah, right there. All of them right there.
Oh. Wow. Oh, bro. Oh. 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 Look at them. They're so happy. I love dolphins. Oh. Y'all, they got Krabby Patties. Hey. Fitting, because we're the Goo Lagoon. Wow.
Right there, right there.
What?
That's a really.
Look at them. They're so happy. I love that. Oh my god, he's upside down. Oh.
Noah.
That's a big dog.
This is cool.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
I love sea life.
I'm just really into bacon.
What is this?
Oh, this is our cauldron, my dear.
It's a who?
A cauldron.
What's that?
Oh, my dear, well, it's sort of, we're using a shell. Usually it's a pot.
Uh-huh.
And we use it to make our potions.
Oh, y'all make
Taken a
potions.
nautilus shell and turned it into our cauldron.
Oh, can I see what's inside?
Oh, sure,
My
take a
dear,
look.
yes. Now, it doesn't look much right now, but we're making a glitter potion.
Yes, it's in the
Okay.
solid stages at the moment. Give it 12 hours or so and it will become liquid.
Oh,
Liquid
wow.
glitter.
Fog just means it's working.
Yes, quite well actually.
Are you guys, so you guys are witches and warlocks?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Now, our magic is fashion.
Fashion.
So we use our magic for making clothes, designing
Shoes.
hats, shoes.
Oh,
Gowns
let me
like
see the
pumpkin
shoes.
queens. Oh yes.
Let me,
Oh,
ooh.
yes, my dear.
A
Yep.
Rosalina
All right, now
original.
let me see the shoes.
Oh, I know, mine aren't as fancy.
Okay.
Right, we're working on a pair for
But
her.
the dress, though, the dress is giving.
Yes.
Oh, thank
It's
you, my
giving.
dear. Oh, I know.
Y'all are gorgeous. Do I look good?
Oh,
Oh,
absolutely.
yes.
You look
Ah,
like a fashionista warlock too.
thank you. You want to see the back of my shirt?
Oh yeah, let's see. Oh,
Oh,
wonderful.
there we
I like that.
go.
Good motto. Positive state.
Yes.
Happy Halloween. Okay, I just love how festive Seaworld is. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the fish pumpkins. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. Shake that. What? Hey, 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 hey. Look at the manatees. Wow. I know, it's a baby. I don't know why seeing the animals make me so emotional.
I love animals.
I do too. We need to be like them. We be out here stressing, and they out here chilling. Going to see some more animals. Wow. Is it? Wow. Hmm. Oh my god. Hey, Bubba. He's literally just chilling.
He's chunky.
He's vibing like, oh, get out right now. Oh,
That's very close.
it's so adorable. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm about to cry. Whoa. Wow. Oh my god.
There's 2 of them.
Wow. Look at, I thought it was a rock. It's just a rock. Wow. What kind of fish are these? Okay, those are the manatees. Okay. Wow. These are some big fish. Bubbles. Trick or treat. Thank you. I already got these. Wow. Unleash the Kraken. These scary hoes ain't going. It's a sensitive subject. Kraken never disappoints, as always. It's such a phenomenal roller coaster. People who sleep on Kraken don't appreciate real roller coasters. I'll say that.
We appreciate it.
And y'all don't.
We did. It was so good.
And y'all all full of it.
Oh,
Cause not near one of y'all got on the ride with me. I was by myself.
single rider.
They escorted me up there and then they said bye-bye. Going on journey to Atlantis. We about to get wet. Like the old Journey to Atlantis, where they had like the Medusa and the ghosts and stuff. Like that was the.
This ride, but it's very
Wait, do y'all actually remember the OG one? You see what I go through? Y'all see what they just be bullying me. I wanted to sit in the back, but the man wouldn't let me. Now I'm about to get soaked, and I didn't want to do. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. Wow. You guys ready to get wet? How you feel? I didn't get that wet. I'm kind of dry.
Must be nice.
Tanisha, let me see your shirt. Oh, you ain't that bad.
okay.
You got it the worst. They got it the worst, actually. Mako. Every time it's gonna hit. Oh my!
Denisha, your hair.
She said, "Oh, pew, pew. I caught a bug."
Hi and welcome back to Detours. We're here with Tegan.
Oh. Seaworld, it's been real. It's been a wonderful day. We got some candy. Happy Halloween. We rode some awesome roller coasters. Saw some aminals. It's been all a great day with Goo Lagoon back together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you enjoyed this video. Peace and hair grease to all of y'all.
Yeah!
We got a candy. We got a candy. Hey, hey. Bring in 2023 with the queen. Hey, hey, hey.